Hi, Mommy. Happy birthday. I just want to greet you in advance because I'm so excited na gagawa ako ng video just to greet you. Kasi alam ko, it has been like more than a year na nakikita mo ko and siguro naman namimiss mo rin ako na kung anong sitwasyon ko and miss na miss rin kita, Mommy. I miss talking to you in person na sasabihin ko sa yung problema ko and andiyan ka lang para makinig. And I know this is another year that is adding to your age, and also one more numbers that is adding to you is your success. I know every year you have this success in life ng pagiging nanay sa aming magkakapatid. I know that you have done a lot of sacrifices just raising us, me, my brother, si Kuya, si Gio, si Von, si Grace, si Joe, ako. And it makes me realize and go back to the days na my mom is really amazing doing that sacrifices just na mapabuti lang kami. And it always makes me realize na living here by myself makes me ask, where did I learn to be strong, to be fearless, to be independent, to be motivated, inspired, hardworking, masipag, mabait, resilient. And I know na sa inyo ko nakuha yun. It's very difficult for me to live outside my comfort zone na napakalayo, na nag-iisa. And honestly, lahat yung kinaya ko, lahat yung kakayanin ko, basta para lang na mapabuti yung pamilya natin, pamilya ko. And I know one more thing na kailangan maging mas matatag pa ako. Kasi alam ko na napakalayo at hindi napakadali na maging isang daddy sa baby ko na si Miho, and sobrang cute and namimiss ko na rin sila, and as much as namimiss ko kayo. And syempre gusto ko lang batiin ka, Mami, na and just to let you know na you're the greatest woman I ever known, and you have given us the unconditional love sa aming mga kakapatid. And hindi ko pa na mahal ka namin. Miss na miss na kita. Sana maging okay ka dyan, na mas tatagan mo pa. Kasi more than the standard of being rich na maraming pera, I know na naging mayaman tayo sa pagmamahal at saka pangunawa. Na life isn't easy na as we know it. Right, Mom? So, Mommy, I miss you. So, happy birthday again. Although, alam ko na iniisip mo, na ini-ignore ko yung mga text mo, yung pangungulit mo, I just want you to know na hindi talaga madali dito kumita ng pera. And lahat talaga pinaghihirapan. So, I'm sorry, Mommy, kung talagang hindi ko maibigay yung mga material na bagay. The same thing na siguro hindi mo rin nabibigay yung mga material na bagay para sa aming magkakapatid. So, Mommy, miss na kita. Mahal na mahal kita. I love you. Happy birthday.